Your current comfort zone isn't a safe space. It is beautifully decorated trap design to keep you stagnant, broke, and just invisible. Hi guys, I'm Nisha and I'm back with a new topic to talk about. You're here because you read the title, and trust me, this video is going to give you all the answers. So stick to the end. So just think about it. You follow the level up creators, you see all the aesthetic routine reels, and you tell yourself that you have a massive potential than others. But if your daily reality is just waking up, doing the bare minimum to get the work done, and repeating the cycle again, you are not building a dream life. You're just romanticizing the mediocre one. Okay, so there is one specific decision we take every single day to just get the work done. Even to get out of the bed instantly seals you as an average person to the rest of the day. And exactly as you guessed it, I'm going to reveal this exact decision in the end of the video. So stick to the end. It will completely break your illusion you're completely living in. But before that, let me share my exact moment when I realized that I was trapped in mediocrity. I remember a year ago, I was just sitting in my room and just scrolling reels, and I watched an beautiful girl. She was of my age, and she was so confident, so beautiful. She was traveling the world. She was independent, she was confident, she was traveling, and I realized that I just look at myself and realize, oh my god, I wanted that. I wanted that life. Obviously, I dreamed of that life. So I was sitting in a room. Everything was messy. My mind was messy. My room was messy. It was not clean. And I was just doom scrolling it. Feel so sharp pain in my chest that what am I doing? We have the exact same 24 hours. The difference between her and me was she was executing all the things and I was just watching. I was stuck in average girl trap, expecting extraordinary rewards, but while just giving the ordinary efforts. If you are ready to stop watching women live your dream life and start building your own, you need to implement this shift right now in your life. So, the shift number one is destroy, at least I'm not the mindset. Average people love to compare themselves downwards to just feel better. At least I have a job. I'm not like her. At least I'm not as lazy as her. At least my habits are not that bad. Please stop. When you look down to find comfort, you just train your brain to accept a low baseline. Stop using mediocre people as your benchmark. Start looking at the woman or a man who actually intimidate you. And that discomfort will definitely make you to drive even to work more harder. Shift number 2 is financial isolation is your next priority. Trust me, you just cannot level up if you're financially dependent upon your parents or your partner or that one constant job which you complain every day about. Average girl just spend their money on the fast fashion or the temporary validations to just look rich. And high value women spend their money on their skills, books, and actually on the assets that will make them rich. पैशाच्या मागे लागणं चुकीचं नाहीये, बट पैशामुळे कोणावर तरी अवलंबून राहणं हे खूप चुकीचं आहे. Shift number 3 is the low vibe cleanse. As you have already heard that you are the average of the content you consume and the friends you hang out with. If your friends' ideas of deep conversation is all about gossiping the mutual things or complaining about how hard life is, you are in a sinking ship. Quietly detach. You just don't need a massive confrontation. You're just too busy building a life celebrating the mediocrity. Shift number 4 is stop muting your ambition to just fit in. Have you ever lowered your vocabulary or change your thoughts, or hid your goals, or laugh at a mediocre joke, even though you don't find it funny, just to avoid looking too serious and too intense in front of relatives or old friends. का स्वतःला लहान करून घेताय? Average people shrink themselves so that other people feel comfortable. High value people just stand tall and let other people deal with their own reflection. If your growth make them uncomfortable, they don't belong in your next chapter. Shift number 5 is ruthless attention management. Your attention is the most important currency in the world, and you're just giving away it free to the strangers on the internet. Every single hour you spend doom scrolling or just watching the lifestyle videos of other people or the vlogs of the other people, it is an hour you stole from building your empire. So just shift from a consumer to creator. So just don't watch an aesthetic, but build a discipline to create it. Shift number 6 is rebrand your soft life obsession. The internet has tricked women that soft life means doing nothing, like zero work, sleeping till noon, and no stress, and avoiding all forms of stress. That isn't a soft life. That's a discipline free existence that will lead to anxiety and financial panic later on. True softness comes from the life that you actually know everything is in your hand, that every other thing is handled by you, controlled by you, and not by others, not by any anxiety, not by any stress. And you actually had the grit to lock in whenever it matters. Shift number 7 is burn the victim mentality. Even right now, I'm dealing with this, okay? I'm trying to make a shift on this. Just giving excuses that the algorithm is bad. I don't have right equipments. माझं नशीबच खराब है. I have no luck. The average girl lives in the land of excuses and just carry the zero risk of failure. The absolute second you stop blaming the external circumstances and take 100% accountability of your current state, it is the exact second you just step out of the mediocrity trap. In short, you have to blame yourself and not to others, not to other things. That's it. Now, let's return to the question I asked at the beginning and told you that there is one decision we take every single morning that instantly dooms you to a mediocre day. It is that you mistake your potential for your performance. Let me explain. Think about it. Okay. You wake up, you're in your bed, lie in bed for 30 minutes, and just thinking about you have to go to the gym, you have to start that business, you have to take that decision. And the version of you that is completely successful, you have a lot of money, you are traveling the world, and your brains get busy imagining all that thing in the morning, and your brain is just occupied with all the imagining you did, and your brain just feels so good imagining all that your potential, and you start feeling satisfied, and you feel like you have already achieved everything, you have done these things, and you're actually saying yourself that you have a lot of potential. But potential without performance is completely worthless. It is like a ghost. And excuse the laziness of who you currently are. Just using your dreams as a shield to hide hard, boring, unglamorous hard work you really have to do. And here's the thing, average girl is in love with her potential, but extraordinary girl is in love with her execution. So just stop clapping for the future version of yourself that hasn't done anything yet. So just drop the identity of the girl who is actually leveling up and send this video to her and become the woman who actually executes. If you are ready to just break the average trap, just hit that subscribe button and just let me know which habit you're leaving behind in this room. Stay magnetic. Okay, bye.